Hello everyone, this is TechTricks and today we are going to show you how to make the recovery drive for the Windows 10. So for this I will recommend you to use a 16 GB pen drive at least because after the doing the recovery drive it will take almost 8 GB, so using an exact 8 GB pen drive will not be beneficial for you. So how to do it? At first you have to plug in the USB drive to the computer. Next, in the search bar you have to type recovery. Please make sure that your spelling is right, and you can see that recovery drive apps will have the access to the option recovery drive. So select it and it will get open. You can see recovery media creator, so we have to allow all the permissions, so let's select yes. So after that, create a recovery drive, and so here by following the instruction you can easily create the recovery drive for your Windows 10. And here you can see that there is an option backup system files to the recovery drive. Just make sure that it is checked. So now click to the next button, and let's wait, and it will take a long time. So I will advise you to please plug in the charger of your laptop, because it will take almost near about 3 to 4 hours. So let's see how much time it takes. But in the meantime, we should discuss something about the recovery drive. Recovery drive can be very much helpful for you while you are dealing with the Windows 10, because if somehow you have deleted your OS, or you have the corrupt OS, or you visit your laptop using the safe mode, in those cases recovery drive is too much helpful. So if you purchase a new Windows 10 device, I will suggest you to please do the recovery drive, or please make the recovery drive as soon as possible, because it will be immense helpful for you. And please remember that while making recovery drive, all the data of that drive will be erased, means about the pen drive. So I will suggest you to buy a new pen drive for that, a 16 GB pen drive, and please dedicate it only for this purpose, to make the recovery drive, and keep it aside in your locker, so that it is safe. So let's see how much time it takes. We'll back again. You can see that the USB flash drive that I had injected into my laptop is now detected by the laptop. So here I have it. So it is named as G/U disk. So it has been detected. So now now we have to press the next icon. So there is a warning here that everything on the drive will be deleted. As I had said you earlier, please make a separate USB drive for this purpose only, so that you can create the recovery tool and put it aside into a safe place, so that you can use it in case of any kind of emergency. So now click on the create button. So I think it will take a few time, and now it is creating the recovery drive. So let's wait until it is finished. We'll So here you can see that it is formatting the drive, and now it will format the drive, and it will erase all the data, and you can see that data is formatted, and now it's copying the utilities, that means all the files and the folders of the operating systems. So let's wait until the next step occurs. You can see in the next step it is showing that it is backing up system files. That means it is backing up your operating systems and those other things that are kept in the recovery drive. So this is the next step, and in continuation with these steps, other steps will occur, and we'll wait for that. So here we can see that it is stating that the recovery drive is ready. So let's click at the finish button. It roughly took about 4 hours to get it completed. So let's see what happens next. So click the finished button. So next let's go to this PC and check the status of the flash drive. So here you can see this is my flash drive. So it is stating the 5.04 GB free, so it almost took about 7 GB that I have stated earlier. So this is your recovery drive, and you can see it is named as the recovery. So let's eject it. I hope I will be able to do that. Yes, then let's eject it, and now now it's safe to remove. And let's remove the hardware, and the recovery drive is ready for you. So this was it. I hope you have liked our video. For any kind of suggestion, please comment at our comment box. Thank you.